What's going on, y'all? Today we have the Western Digital 4TB external hard drive. Okay, I got it at Best Buy for $119. I just love the cool look of it, the feel. It looks like a cool hard drive I could pull out my bag when I'm ready to get busy. Okay, let's jump right into this unboxing. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have a USB cable. All right, cool. Throw that on the side real quick. Inside we have our hard drive inside a little plastic container. Okay, I like that. That's cool. Let's open this up. All right, so there we have it. We got some paperwork. Okay, I guess it's some information here. Let's see. Okay, you got a bunch of different stuff in different languages here. It talks about the hard drive, I guess. You know, we could check that out later. Alright, that's cool. Okay, what do we have here? Some more paperwork. It looks like it tells you how to set it up to your computer or Xbox or PlayStation. Basic instructions, most of us know it already, but it's good to have just in case you don't know. And just in case there's some issues. Okay, now for the hard drive. Let's see what this feels like. Yep, I love it. Nice and tough, hard outer case. It's not plastic. I need stuff like this for my bag. I throw my hard drive in it. I know it's safe, just in case I step on my bag, because I do that all the time. I need something that's gonna be tight and tough. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to worry about my hard drive. It's tough. All right. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please follow me, like, and subscribe, or visit ronalpha.com for more information, and just